Why is it not recording? There we go. So this is looking at underneath where the bulkhead, or this is the bulkhead of where the stove and wall oven are. I think we should stop this bulkhead here. Maybe just eliminate the whole thing, because when you come over here, you have it this wide, you've dropped down so close to the underside of the window, you're not going to have any, you can't put any crown molding in there. Or we reduce it back down to the 1 foot that they originally said. But on the architectural drawings, there's no bulkheads in here whatsoever. So I don't know. I think this is just a waste of time. And then we've got this cross section. Anyway, talk to you soon.